The BullyDog GT Platinum Tuner is for any 11 to 14 3.5 liter EcoBoost F150 owner that's looking for a plug-and-play tuner that'll pick up big power and get the most out of their setup, whether it's a stock or fully built truck. This tuner comes preloaded for all different driving styles. The biggest advantage this tuner provides is the ability to load a custom tune that's optimized based on your truck's exact setup. This tuner can store up to 10 custom tunes for all different situations and fuel types. This is how you'll get the most power out of your EcoBoost powered F150. It's also extremely useful for monitoring all of your engine vitals on the fly with the easy-to-read LCD display. You'll also be able to use it for reading and clearing of trouble codes without needing to leave your driveway. Installing the tuner itself is extremely simple with on-screen directions to walk you through the install. So expect 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter with a total time of about 15 minutes. Before we jump into all those features and break down the device itself, let's look at what matters most, and that's the dyno number. We established a baseline dyno run in our 3.5 liter with stock wheels and 93 octane. It put down 336 horsepower and 397 foot-pounds of torque at the rear wheels. We then uploaded the performance tune on BullyDog's 93 octane setting, ran it again, and it made 352 horsepower and 442 foot-pounds of torque at the wheels for a modest bump in power. That's a very impressive gains of 16 horsepower and 45 pounds of torque to the rear wheels. The bulk of the gains are down low to the mid RPM range, about 3,000 to 4,000. At 3,400 RPM, we saw peak curve gains of 38 horsepower and 59 foot-pounds of torque. The tunes are great because they don't just touch your engine for quicker throttle response and more power. They will also change your transmission settings that'll make your high RPM shift points faster and firmer, especially when you're in factory sport mode. For the daily commute, there is an economy tune that'll give you high RPM power where you want, but with much better MPG ratings in the lower rev range. Either way, you should see an increase in fuel economy even with the regular performance tunes, as long as you're not flooring it at every green light. The software is designed to be updated directly through the tuner, which might include new functions and programs that can be installed directly from the internet without needing to leave the garage. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection. The GT Platinum Tuner has a ton of features which make it super useful when mounted in your truck. The large full-color display is easy to read day or night and can be set to monitor 4 gauges simultaneously. You could leave it plugged in all day, and its smart power management setting will ensure the device doesn't drain your battery when your ignition is turned off. When you start your F150, the GT Platinum will be ready to go, displaying important information like boost pressure, coolant temp, intake temp, air-to-fuel ratio, and more. All live and can be logged for later use, whether you're troubleshooting or for custom tuning. At just under $450, it's a great price for this tuner, considering the power you get right out of the box, the ability to custom tune later, and the lifetime diagnostics and data logging. This is an investment that can pay for itself over time just by saving you on gas for the next few years. You can save a few bucks by going with just a straight can tuner, but you'll be missing out on getting a tuning profile that's truly optimized for your truck based on how it's running reviewed by actual tuning professionals. Switching over to the install, this is going to be an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it should take you no less than 15 minutes with no tools required. Your first step is going to be to make sure the adapter switch is set on battery and not key. So just flip it over to battery, and then you're going to take the OBDII port on your truck, which is located right underneath your steering wheel, and then we're just going to plug in the adapter. With your adapter plug in, it's time to take the HDMI cable that was included with the kit and plug it in. And then we're going to take our HDMI cable and we're going to plug it in directly to our BullyDog GT tuner. When you plug in your BullyDog GT tuner, you're going to turn your truck to the run position, but do not start it. So now we're going to go to our menu. So you can use this top button right here. We're going to install or download. We're going to verify our vehicle type. This is a 2011 Ford. Turn the key to the off position. Key off. Press continue. Now turn the key to the run position again, and then press continue. So we're going to click our preload tune. We're going to turn the key to the off position. We're going to press continue. And then this is where we select our power level, but you also have a regular, towing, economy setting, stock. So you see we have premium highlighted. And now we're just going to enter. So the tuner's just letting you know that your gauges will flash and they may shutter up and down. That is normal, but then you just have to press continue to continue on. So now we're going to turn the key to the run position, continue. So now we're going to turn the key to the off position and press continue.
Now turn your key to the run position, and then continue. Now again, turn the key to off, continue. Turn your key to the run position, then continue. So now our tune has been fully loaded. Turn the key to off. And that wraps up my install of Bully Dog's GT Platinum Series tuner. You can check this out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.